Hey, Tracy King here, Kings of Real Estate CEO, and I need 10 salespeople, and here's why. We are booking around 60 appointments a week of highly motivated buyers and sellers. Maybe you can be like Karen on my team. She's a mother of two children, wife, she's a busy lady, but she's handling over 50 transactions a year, making over $175,000 net income. And here's what she's not doing. She's not cold calling. She's not manually prospecting. She's not. She doesn't have any desk fees, and she is spending absolutely $0. No, $0, no money on advertising, and only doing the parts of the business that she likes, meeting with buyers and sellers. So come and see the leads. Check it out for yourself. I've got a free 1 hour presentation on how all this process works. There's no obligation. So call to register 865 365 2280, or you can click here at the no cold calling no fees.com to register, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.